In this video, I am going to explain two ways that you can send each other audio files on Instagram. One of them is simply sending voice messages and the other one is using a third-party website. Let's say I open my Instagram, head over to my DMs and choose one of my friends, let's say my other account. So here, easily, I can just tap and hold on the microphone icon and record a voice message and send it to my friend. But as you can see, if I tap on this plus icon, there is no way for me to send an audio file other than recording. So let's say I want to share an audio file that I already have on my files on my phone. What I can do is I'm going to open a browser and I'm going to search WeTransfer. Transfer. Go. Okay, I didn't mean for the free section. Okay, so then I tap on the first website that pops up. So it says the simplest way to send big files, and I tap on I agree. Here you can easily upload a file. You could either send it as an email, or if you tap on the link section, it will create a link for your file and you will just send the link to your friend on Instagram, and by tapping on the link, your friend will easily be able to access that file. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tap on link, and here on upload files, I'm going to tap on the plus icon, and here it says you want to add it from the photo library, take a photo or video, or choose files, or even if you have something on Google Drive, you can share it like that. So here I'm going to choose something from my files, and here I'm going to choose the file that is on my iCloud Drive. Let's say this is a song, and I'm going to tap on open. So now it is going to upload my file and give me a link. As you can see here, it says 3 days. So I can either choose it on keep forever or 1 year or something, but that would be possible if I had, the premium version, and if I paid for it. But right now I can upload it up to 1 day or 3 days for free. So I'm just going to put it on 3 days. And I'm going to tap on get a link. It says your email will not be visible to anyone. We ask it to keep the community safe, which means I have to enter my email. So I'm going to do that. And also, if you want a message to be there, you can type it in, like I'm genuinely, I don't know, interested in the song, for example. Anyways, I'm going to tap on get a link. It is asking me to verify my email account, so I'm going to just copy the code it sent me. Paste, verify, and send. Now it's transferring my file. It is 11.7 megabytes, so I just have to wait for it until it's uploaded. If you close this page, this process will not be completed, so make sure don't close this page. Well, now it says something went wrong. We're just going to try again until we get the link, and then we can share it with our friends. Okay, now it has given us the code, so we're just going to copy it. And let's say I just paste the link here and send it to my friend. Now, if I switch to my other account, I'm the person who receives this link, so I tap on it, accept, agree. As you can see, this is my song. If I want, I can download it, or I can download the app and keep the song in my application. So basically that's it. I know it doesn't look simple, and I know it is quite time consuming, but unfortunately Instagram doesn't allow us to share audio files or any kind of files for that matter on Instagram. So I hope Instagram offers that feature sometime soon, but until then, this is the only way we have. Hope that helps, and don't forget to subscribe for more.